Are you interested in small business ownership in English? Did you know that EdCC offers prep for small business ownership in the fall 2020 for only $25, and you can also take a level class for the same price? My name is Katherine Jenkins, and I've been teaching prep for small business ownership at Edmonds Community College for over 10 years. I've watched dozens of students become business owners, and many have come back as guest speakers to my class to tell the other students about how they started their businesses. These days, due to the coronavirus, many small businesses have closed, but online businesses are thriving. One of my students had the idea to create a cake shop where customers can design their cakes online and pick them up or have them delivered. What a brilliant idea. Even though we can't meet in person to share our ideas, we can meet online and develop and share our business ideas and learn English at the same time. One of my students, designer Lonnie Lee, sells her handmade products online. Recently, she started to sell handmade masks and other products for our times. She will be a guest speaker in our class in the fall. Here is Lonnie with several of her products. She now sells these products online. Here are some more of her products. Lonnie makes everything from handbags to soaps. She even made me a personalized yoga bag. And she can sell all of these products online. Even if you aren't interested in starting a business, you can still learn about it and learn a lot of new business vocabulary. This may help you in getting a job now or in the future. Meet Halit Buyuk. He designs, produces, and sells his shoes online. He created this business in my class. His shoes are beautiful, and he will create custom designs for you. Here he is showing his materials and his products. Halit used to sell his products at the University of Washington Street Fair. Now he's selling his shoes online. I had the opportunity to buy a pair of his shoes at the street market. At the end of the quarter, I send each student a certificate. We will have an online graduation ceremony. I look forward to learning English and business with you. Register for Prep for Small Business for Fall 2020. If you are in level 4, 5, or 6, ask your teacher to give you the item number so you can sign up. Or you can also contact advising here, 425-640-1621. I look forward to seeing you in the fall.